Hey guys, welcome back to Master Designs in Anime. Animation. I hope you guys are having a great 4th of July. Hope you guys had a great 4th of July, and I hope you guys enjoyed the fireworks. I know I did, because, well, like I mentioned in a few videos, I draw a couple of characters for you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Agent X from Yokai Watch 3. If you must know, Agent X is a servant for the Ghoul Father. The dapper suit serves as camouflage for this man of mystery. No one seems to know anything about him, and those that try to look into his history have a bad habit of vanishing into midair. So, let's get started, shall we? Okay, so, if you just zoom in, you can draw his eye, and here's his hat. Here's his face. Okay, next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his chin here. And here's his Okay, glad I got that done. There's his tie. Just go down here and there's his jacket. Here's his sleeve. If you ask me, he kind of looks like the guy from the Golden Circle, or from one of those Mission Impossible movies. And almost done. And there. That is how you draw Agent X. pretty easy, don't you think, kids? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a fun summer. Bye.